Mamaya may definition tayo ng significant figures, no? Number 5. Why are significant figures important in scientific measurement? Is it A, they determine the mass of an object? They show the exact number of molecules? Letter C, they indicate the reliability and level of uncertainty in the measurement. They are only used for decoration. Uy, good evening, Papa Joms. Okay? So, natin, 3 pa lang nagsasagot, 4 pala, 4. Sige, anong sagot natin dyan? Thank you sa mga nagpa-follow sa atin, no? Yan ay isa pa. Letter C, okay? So, tama yon, no? Letter C, no? C yung sagot natin. They indicate reliability and level of uncertainty in the measurement. Kasi